Welcome to our guide on understanding pH sensors. The last issue talked about how to optimize your hydroponic system with pH management. pH sensors monitor water quality, such as acidity and alkalinity. Today we'll explore what pH sensors are, how they work, and their benefits. What is a pH sensor? A pH sensor measures the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. It provides critical data for various industries, from water treatment to food and beverage production. pH sensors may include 4 types. The first is a combination pH sensor, which uses a reference electrode and a measuring electrode. The reference electrode is used to provide a stable signal, while the measurement electrode is used to detect any changes in pH that occur. The second type is a differential sensor, which consists of 3 different electrodes, the third of which is a metal-grounded electrode. These sensors are unique in that they protect against reference contamination. The third type is laboratory sensors, which are designed for lighter applications, such as pool monitoring and environmental sampling. The fourth is a process pH sensor, the body comprising a process connection for continuous pH monitoring. Using pH sensors helps in maintaining product quality, optimizing processes, and ensuring regulatory compliance. They provide real-time data, enhancing decision-making and efficiency. pH sensors are vital in many fields. In water treatment, they ensure safe and clean water. In agriculture, they help optimize soil conditions. They're also crucial in food and beverage production to maintain quality and safety. Thanks for watching. If there is more you want to know about pH sensors, you can come to contact us.